Well, hey everyone. Thanks so much for having us. This is Kevin Long on the bass, Weston Byerly on the drums. I'm Danny Elkin on the mandolin. Together, we're Maritime Law, we're Salty Strings, we're Me, You, and Weston tonight. We're just Me, You, and Weston is all three of us.
Buddies being pals.
Just buddies being pals, playing silly music. was a fiddle tune, an old song from early 19th century. Don't know when that fiddle tune particularly came out, called "Cattle in the Cane," and we moved that into sort of a funky rhythm that we wrote on Henry's Beach one night when we were all just hanging out having a bonfire on the beach, and we named it after a little wiener dog that was off leash and probably shouldn't have been because it was really dark out and we kept losing the wiener dog named Gary, who recently passed, unfortunately, and we named the song after Gary. It's called "Gary Off Leash." Was that last one? Yeah. Thank you.
Shout out to Gary.
Gary boy, he's a good boy. He was a good boy.
Let's go to heaven.
He was a real good boy.
Gary.
About the next one, dude?
Yeah, similarly, we're gonna do another fiddle tune into another funky little jam. That's sort of what separates this band from other ones trying to do. Actually, don't know many doing fiddle tunes in Santa Barbara, but this is a fiddle tune called "Soldier's Joy." It's about the medicine they used to give to soldiers during the Civil War. Morphine, yeah. It's about morphine being given to soldiers, and then we turn this into another little funky original that this band does. Yeah. fellas. Thanks, fellas. That's a lot of fun for us. We call that Soldier's Joy into Soldier's Funk.
The funk?
That's the name we came up with that one. It's a fun little three-piece being funk with mandolin and a breakdown drum kit and bass. Sometimes Kevin plays acoustic bass too, so that's fun.
Yeah, this is very much so a broken down version of what we do. This is not what I usually play. We do like full drum kit. We got banjo. We got guitar players, multiple singers. So it's a whole fest we bring together. A lot of guys we've been hanging out with in various parts of California. We say Santa Barbara. Got some guys up north and
Santa Barbara, Goleta, Carpinteria, Ojai, Camarillo.
Nice.
Well represented, 805.
Yep.
Sweet.
But this is the original three. That's why we go by me, you, and Weston. Because it doesn't matter who's saying that as long as it's not Weston. That makes sense then. You know.
Right.
Yeah.
Could be a movie.
Yeah. If Weston said it, it wouldn't make sense.
Something that's really terrible. I won't go there.
Me, you, and Weston did. Yeah.
I do that a lot.
Me, you.
That's what it is. He talks in the third person.
Yeah.
I go to the gym with him.
Weston's getting mad.
Uh-oh. Dude, Hulk smash, dude.
Weston play drums?
Weston smash.
Dude, this fucking shit's all smashed up.
Yeah, Weston normally has a very big drum kit.
Weston go gym?
It's good.
Why do you think I play this thing, dude?
Weston condition hair.
Castor oil, bro. Castor oil. Yeah, castor oil, brothers. Come on, man.
Perfectly coiffed every time I've seen him.
Weston get Italian chain?
Is this Italian? Is it? Shit, hope not, man. He's wearing the wrong feet.
Great. Well, we got one more. This is an original called Blue Crayon. This was written with the bluegrass band that used to be, and now this band plays it, and it sounds way better with drums and reggae bass. Because we were inspired. We were like one of the only bluegrass bands in Santa Barbara, and loved the reggae music. And during the pandemic, when we sort of all found each other right before the pandemic, we like survived on playing reggae in each other's backyards. That's sort of what kept us, happy during those times that we were all sort of quarantined in those neighborhoods. So we played a lot of reggae music, and then this song came from that experience of being locked up and playing reggae music with each other. Yeah. That's where the song came from. All together, boys. Smoking spliffs, getting higher. I'm making music with my friends. When Bradley said to Daniel, as we search for inspiration, here I have a question. What is your favorite crayon? I like that blue crayon, so I can paint the ocean. I like that blue crayon, so I can paint the sky. It's like it's moving when I paint the waves in motion. And that blue crayon is the color of her eyes. And if I was a blue whale, I'd sing my song way down low. And if I was a bluebird, I'd sing to the forest as it grows. And if I was a Jedi, I'd build my lightsaber blue. And I'd fight for the good in this world, and all my friends would too. brought to you by my favorite color blue. I really love the glaciers I saw from the plains up above. As we flew into Alaska, we celebrated Chris and Anna's love. And thank you to the Blue Goose who drove around me and my friends. While we're in Alaska, we sang about my favorite color crayon. I like that blue crayon, so I can paint the ocean. I like that blue crayon, so I can paint the sky. It's like it's moving when I paint the waves in motion. And that blue crayon is the color of her eyes.
Blue
Thanks, man.
crayon, dude.
Blue crayon. Blue
Here we
crayon.
are, dude.
Fucking A.
Everyone's favorite reggae song about a crayon played by a bluegrass band. Hands down. It's gotta be-
Hands down. It's got to be one of the top of
We're the only
those.
ones doing it. We're the only ones doing it, man.